Hey guys, Jackson Savvy here. Today we're going to be doing a Windows 10 tutorial over the quick access and removing the recently used files and folders. And we'll discuss a little bit about setting it up a little bit better, more like Windows 7. So I'm going to go right down here to my File Explorer. And the first thing you see with Windows 10 is frequent folders at the top here. And these are pinned items, so those aren't what we're looking at. What we're worried about are the recent files here. I actually had to add some in because I've already gone through and cleared this and rearranged it the way I wanted, but for the sake of the video I went ahead and kicked it back on and looked at some files. But what you get to is, as you're working on the computer, this will start filling up just with totally useless stuff that you might have only had to access one time. So to make it a little bit more user friendly, what we're going to do is come up to the top and click on the View tab. At the far right you'll see Options. We want to click on the bottom section that has the little arrow and says Options, and then Change Folder and Search Options. The window that pops up has two checkmarked items down at Privacy, and those are both for showing the recently used files and folders in quick access. So we're going to uncheck mark each box and hit apply, then OK. And on this one, right away you'll see that they've went away. There's also an option on there, if I didn't show you, we'll go back into it, to clear your File Explorer history if you ever need to. But if you don't like the way this is set up, even after getting rid of those, there is quite a few ways to customize this. Windows really did a lot of work with the quick access ribbon here and the options. We're not going to get too far into all of them, but I am going to show you one more layout that might be a bit more user friendly for you. And it's under the exact same place we just went to, under Options. We click on it and Change Folder and Search Options. This time though, I want you to look at the very first line. This is Open File Explorer 2, and you'll see it's going straight to quick access every time we open it. If we click on that, we can go down to this PC and go ahead and hit apply and OK. Now you won't see any changes until we close this out and reopen it. So let's hit File Explorer one more time. And now you have something that's a bit more user friendly and more like Windows 7. Or if you had it set up like this on Windows 8, you've got your local disk, your disk drives, and the usual folders that we're used to seeing. You still have quick access over here, which is a bit redundant, but the main thing I like about this setup is at the top here, if you'll notice, the ribbon's changed. And now we have quick access to uninstall or change programs, to our system properties, our settings, and the computer management. So whether you're a power user or just a regular user, it comes in handy just to come into your File Explorer to be able to uninstall a program and not have to search through your settings, type anything in at the start menu, or go through any of that. So if you liked the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have any ideas for future tutorials, leave them in the comments. I hope this helped you kind of reorganize your File Explorer. And thanks for watching.